Well, Dr. Pearson, that leads me to the $50 million question. After the testimony that we heard yesterday and all the testimony so far we have heard, do you have a very clear sense that it was the 2018 Washington Post op-ed that torpedoed Johnny Depp's career, that it negatively impacted him so much to support a defamation claim and also a damages award?
I think that it does support it. I think that you cannot extricate the prior allegations from what that op-ed did, and the reason for that is that they are all part of the same issue, the same allegations, and so it makes it very difficult to parse. The issue for me is that the allegation is that he engaged in sexual assault, he engaged in domestic violence. She called herself a victim. She has a prior draft that shows that she wanted to include the restraining order, but then excluded it on the advice of the ACLU. And so for me, looking at that information, I do think that he suffered damage as a result of that. He lost the Pirates of the Caribbean movie, at least it seems he has. He was asked to resign from the Fantastic Beasts. Now, granted, that came after the Sun, but I do think the Sun article and the Sun lawsuit, but I do think that you can tie it to that. I do think that the expert, he is somebody who has prolifically testified in these issues. I do think that some of his testimony was a bit confusing, could have been presented better. But I do think that you can tie it to that based on the timing.
Well, Amber Heard's side is saying, you mentioned the Sun, right? It was the Sun article, it was the Sun lawsuit that caused Johnny Depp to lose career roles, and that it wasn't the 2018 article, and also, it was everything that came out in 2016, not the 2018 article. And in fact, they and you talked about Pirates of the Caribbean 6. Did he really lose that because of the article or something else?